Sigma just sent me out their laser level to try out. This is the model CMG01, and this thing is really pretty cool. I found myself going around my house and making sure that, first of all, I had all of my picture frames level and things like that. But I was also just recently doing some renovation in my basement where I was plumbing a new wall I was framing out. So I was able to use it for that as well. So you're going to find yourself using things like these laser levels all of the time. This one's super easy to use. It's powered by a couple batteries and it's got the power button right on top. And when you're using this, it's got a, see if I can show behind me. You can see that, but you've got the vertical and you've got the horizontal. So now you know that you're straight and you're plumb all the way across. But what makes this one really cool, what I really enjoy about it is a couple things. So first of all, it's got a, let's turn it off before we blind ourselves. It's got a 1/4 20 screw thread in the bottom. That's going to enable you to be able to mount this to a tripod that you have, maybe get some height or whatever. But if you don't have that tripod, it comes with this bracket right here. What that does is it's going to screw into the bottom of the laser, and now this L bracket has magnets on the back. So if there's something that you have that is made out of metal, you can magnet it to it. If you have a building that's framed with steel studs, you could do that. Or it's got kind of like a picture frame hook. So if you just tack the nail into the wall, or you had a picture frame nail already in place, you can hang this so that now it's going to aim across your opposite wall and give you that vertical and horizontal laser to make sure you got everything really super straight. So this is a great tool to have. You're going to find that you use it far more than you ever expected. For the price, you cannot beat it. It's a tool that you're going to have in your toolbox and you're going to use all the time. Simple and easy to use. Again, this is from CIGMAN, and this is their CM-G01 model. So make sure you check it out.